Let me show you how I made this luscious, creamy, dreamy banana pudding. Made this for an iftar this week and everyone wanted this recipe, so here we are. I use NYT's recipe and it's so easy to put together. Start with whisking 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and cold water. Then add Jello banana pudding mix and whisk again. Cover it with plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge until it's completely set. Now you want to make a simple whipped cream with just cold heavy cream. There's no need to add any sugar or flavorings here because the sweetness and the flavoring will come from the banana pudding and the condensed milk. Once the whipped cream is ready, add in half of the banana pudding and fold it in gently. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pudding. Try not to rush here and gently fold everything together. All you have to do now is assemble. You're going to layer the pudding, vanilla wafers, and banana slices. You can make as many layers as you'd like. I'm making it into one big tray for a party, but you can make it into individual servings as well. Top it with some crushed wafers and then chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Now it's your turn to go make some.